Okay, welcome back to. Well, I didn't get to actually I forgot to turn the camera on, but the coil is in the base. Now all I've got to do is run the two wires down. I'm going to check continuity just to be sure I didn't chafe a wire somewhere. But the coil is in. This is the end with the wires coming out right there. It's 4 into 1. And everything is in. So now I'm going to pull the tape off, and then when I put the potting epoxy on it, it'll seal it all up on the top side, and it'll go down into it. It'll seal it all in. But there it is. That's a 12-foot electromagnetic brake with or not a brake yet, but it's almost a brake. Getting close. So anyway, awesome. I'll be back.